Hello, welcome everyone. In this question, it says 47.4 kilogram students runs down the sidewalk and jumps with the horizontal speed 4.2 on the stationary skateboard. Down means here center. Stationary skateboard. That's important. The student and skateboard move down the sidewalk with the velocity of 3.95 meter per second. So this is the final velocity of the boat. Find the following: the mass of the skateboard. At the A, it's asking. Formula is m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial. That's equal v final times m1 plus m2. Let's keep this part for the B. So initial velocity of the skateboard is 0, so this will be 0. And mass of the student 47.4 times initial velocity of the student is 4.2. That will be equal v final times m1 plus m2. And v final is given 3.95. m1 again 47.4 plus m2, that is the mass of the skateboard, we can say. If we divide both sides, 3.95. If we send it the other side, m will be 3 kilogram. And at the B it says how fast student would have to jump to have final speed 5 meter. So now it says how we can make the final speed 5. So initial speed must be different than 4.2. So again, m1 times v1 initial plus m2 times v2 initial, that's equal v final m1 plus m2. And again, skateboard initial at rest, so this will be 0. And m1 is 47.4 times v1 initial is unknown, it's asking v1 initial, that's equal v final will be here 5 because it says how it can be 5 times m1 is 47.4 plus m2 is 3. Now it is not unknown. If we divide by both sides, 47.4 v1 initial will be 5.3 meter per second. Thanks for listening.